Hi, good afternoon. I am Alice Nadia from St. Lucia. I am here today with 5 delegates from varying islands, and we just completed a youth training leadership workshop. I think we can all agree that the training this week was extremely intensive. We looked at varying topics such as human rights, trade union rights, gender equality, sustainable development, and advocacy. Give me a brief synopsis of how the training went for you. You can talk about your experience. They will introduce themselves.
Good afternoon. My name is Donna and I'm representing Barbados. The workshop was extremely informative and it catered to my needs as an aspiring trade unionist. It was an eye-opener for me, and now I have a clear understanding of the role of the CUT. And with this understanding, I am more able to inform and encourage my fellow comrades to continue the fight for human and trade union rights.
The name is Rayel from the land of many waters, Guyana. Well, I just was part of a wonderful 3-day workshop, and this was the first time I've ever been on a workshop that every single thing done at this workshop exceeded every single one of my expectations. And it was a great initiative by CUT, EI and the GUT to bring us on board as young aspiring leaders and teach us so much about what we need to know about trade unionism and human rights.
My name is Cmrd. I am from the beautiful country of Suriname. I have just participated in a youth leadership training initiated by the CUT. It has been very eye-opening to me, and it also let me acknowledge the huge problems and the issues that we have in our own country right now. I am now able to go back and advocate about the different problems, but the most beautiful thing that I have learned during this training is that the trade union rights are equally to human rights. And that is what I am really going to advocate and work upon when I return back to my country. Thank you.
I think a workshop of this magnitude is very timely in effect because we need to ensure continuity in the trade union movement, and we need to develop young leaders so they can better go out there and advocate for human and trade human rights.
Okay, I'm Nadia from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I am the youth chairperson for the youth committee back home, and I'm grateful for the fact that I got the opportunity to come to this workshop held by the CUT. You know, I'm a baby to the union. I think I'm there about 3 months, and in order for me to be an effective leader for the youth committee, I have to know about the union, I have to know about CUT, and this workshop, it met all those needs. My answers that I had my questions that I had in my mind, they were able to answer it, and with all the information I got about the human rights and the other things that they shared, I'm able to now go back home and be an effective leader and help those young teachers that I am responsible for.
Thank you, delegates.